Word of the day, encapsulate. Ever tried to explain your entire personality in one Instagram bio? Congratulations, you tried to encapsulate yourself. To encapsulate something means to express the most important parts of it in a short, neat way. It's like stuffing a whole pizza into one perfect bite. You're squeezing all the flavor into something small. Her facial expression perfectly encapsulated how we all felt about the 6 a.m. group workout. Hit subscribe and let us encapsulate your brain with one brilliant word a day. It's like a gym membership, but for your vocabulary.